So for the paint removal agent, the different methods to apply. Let's start with manual brushes.
So, as with most of our products, it's a three-step process. You spray it on, you wait for a while, and then you brush it off. In this case, you can use, once again, a manual sprayer, electrical sprayer, and to spray all the surface. Wait 10 to 20 minutes, similar to LRA, for example. And once you see that the paint is starting to break off, it's time to brush and rinse. Of course, on real severe cases of paint, you might need a longer period, or you might need to reapply the product because it can dry to the temperature of the modules. Mm-hmm. But if it's only overspray on a house or something like that, one application should be enough. If you're talking about commercial rooftops where the contamination is very high and it's been ongoing for a long time, you might need to reapply it a couple of more times. Mm-hmm. So it really soaks the contaminant and is able to break it down. Besides that, with the water-powered brush or electrical driven brush, it's right about the same process. You can spray it first and then come with a brush with water and mix it down. You can also mix it in the cleaning water. Of course, it will imply that you will need a second step of rinsing, which will be the less common problem, the less common way of using it manually, because you really don't need it that much to use on the brush. If you have a water-fed pole, it might be a good way to apply it, because you can extend the telescopic pole and apply it on the hard-to-reach areas, and then change to clear water and rinse it off.
What's the dilution ratio of this product?
It's for solvent-based paint, it's 1 to 2. For water-based paint, it's 1 to 5.